When it comes to cutting through various metals with precision and efficiency, a high-quality plasma cutter is an essential tool. If you are a professional fabricator or a DIY enthusiast, having the right plasma cutter can make all the difference in achieving clean and accurate cuts. In this video, we'll review some of the best plasma cutters on the market, highlighting their key features and why they stand out. From advanced digital controls to powerful cutting capabilities, these plasma cutters are designed to meet a wide range of needs and applications. Number 1. bestarc BTC500DP 7th Gen Plasma Cutter. The bestarc BTC500DP 7th Gen Plasma Cutter offers advanced features like a pilot arc function and a digital display for real-time monitoring, making it highly efficient and user-friendly. With dual voltage capabilities and an adjustable post-time function, it ensures precise cutting and extended tool life. Key features: non-touch arc starting with adjustable pilot arc time, real-time monitoring of air pressure, voltage, and current, compatible with 110 volt or 220 volt for versatile cutting, extends torch head and consumable life, offers both semi-automatic and automatic cutting modes. Number 2. S7 JH1 Plasma Cutter. The S7 JH1 Plasma Cutter is a powerful and versatile tool, equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology and a dual voltage capability for efficient cutting across various metals. With a cutting capacity of up to 20 millimeters and the ability to handle rough and rusty surfaces with minimal slag, this plasma cutter is perfect for both professional and hobbyist use. Key features: provides efficient cutting with dual voltage, cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces with ease, allows precise adjustment of air pressure for optimal cutting, includes power supply, torch, ground clamp, air filter, and more. Number 3. LOTOS LTP5000D Plasma Cutter. The LOTOS LTP5000D Plasma Cutter offers a significant 25% increase in cutting power compared to standard 50-ampere plasma cutters, thanks to its upgraded PC board and torch. With non-touch pilot arc technology, this cutter effortlessly handles rough, painted, and rusty surfaces while ensuring high-precision cuts. Key features: enhanced performance with upgraded PC board and torch, cuts through tough surfaces with minimal slag, quick connection with a pre-installed air filter and plug, up to 3 by 4-inch severance cut at 220 volts. Number 4. Reboot RBC6000DL Plasma Cutter. The Reboot RBC6000DL Plasma Cutter is a powerful and portable tool, equipped with non-touch pilot arc technology for cutting through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces with minimal slag. With IGBT inverter technology and dual voltage capabilities, it delivers strong performance across various metals. The pre-installed components and quick setup make it easy to use, whether at home, in the shop, or on the go. Key features: cuts tough surfaces without direct contact, 10 to 60 ampere output with up to 4 by 5-inch severance cut at 240 volts. Easily converts between 120 volts and 240 volts. Weighs only 8.2 pounds for easy transport. Pre-installed air couplings for fast assembly. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 Plasma Cutter. The ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 Plasma Cutter offers powerful performance with automatic dual voltage capabilities, making it ideal for cutting various metals, including alloy steel and aluminum. Its lightweight and portable design, combined with advanced digital technology for precise control, ensures a user-friendly and efficient cutting experience. Key features: supports cutting up to 3 by 4-inch severance, plug-in air filter connector for easy setup, weighs only 13 pounds with included strap, adjustable post-flow time, and 2T and 4T settings. Number 6. YESWELDER Cut 65DS Plasma Cutter. The YESWELDER Cut 65DS Plasma Cutter features a non-HF start for interference-free operation, making it safe and ideal for general use. With powerful cutting capabilities and advanced digital control technology, this plasma cutter provides precise and efficient performance across various materials. The adjustable post time, air filter regulator, and non-touch pilot arc enhance its functionality, making it a versatile tool for professionals. Key features: safe and interference-free operation, real-time monitoring of air pressure, voltage, and current, clean cuts up to 5 by 8 inch at 220 volts, extends the life of consumables, efficiently cuts through rough and rusty surfaces. Thanks for exploring the best plasma cutters on the market with us. We have covered a range of top options that cater to different needs. From powerful cutting capabilities to advanced digital controls for precision work. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest content. Happy cutting!